how to cancel 7-day free trial on Coursera in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel the 7-day free trial on your Coursera account. So first of all, you need to open a web page and search for Coursera official website, and as you can see you will just click on the official link, and as you can see we are already logged in. You need to log in or sign up, log in to your account, and after logging in, on the right upper corner as you can see the profile option, and on the profile option you have to click on the my purchases section. And after clicking on here, as you can see there are multiple options. If you have already booked a 7-day free trial, there should be a option called manage your purchases or something like that. You just have to simply click on here, click on that options, and after that you can see the course or the package you are involved in. You just have to click on cancel my subscription from here, and after clicking on cancel the subscription, you are now officially have cancelled the 7 days free trial on Coursera. So that's it for this video. Hope you find this video helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. So see you on the next video.